So guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm down at my cousin's and he's sort of like put a bit of a thing together. There's a bit of a band here and there's a burger stall and a bar and stuff. And there's a racing team, Team Macadam. Apparently they race Triumphs. I don't know what Triumphs they are, but we'll have a look in a minute. But the Triumphs are down there, so we're going to go down and have a look. So I'll be back in 2. So these are the 2 bikes. I don't know much about Triumphs, I'll be honest with you, but it's got 675 on there. I'm guessing that's the CC of it or something, I don't know. But it's got some pretty cool stuff on. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a lap count, a lap thing, isn't it? There. That thing there. And then there's that gear change shifter is quite long, isn't it? Or is that a... No, it's a mechanical one, that, isn't it? I think. There's a big fat Hooligan on the back. Hooligan on the front. Very nice. All latest electronic stuff. It's a shame I can't see the dashboard. Hello guys, it's Sunday night, about 7:30. I thought I'd just quickly come up here and do a bit more before I go back to work tomorrow, because she's had me fucking in the garden today, doing all sorts, cleaning all sorts of shit up. In fact, I'll just show you that now. So she had me moving that, getting all this shit, getting all logs ready for winter, because, and we've been cleaning all this, because we're going to get some hens over there. That's where the coop's going to be, and the hens are going to live in here. And then obviously we're going to let them out at that hole, and they'll come walking down here as well and whatever. So, move Dave. I just thought I'd do a bit on this. So, now as you know, I'm not a fucking welder by any means, totally novice. But I don't think I've done too much. I don't think I've done too bad a job, to be honest with you, because I don't know if you can remember the first video on Hooligan where it showed you them stupid fucking mild steel box section holding it together, and this were fucking bent up. So I've sort of like done this from scratch. Obviously that's the original Yamaha, but everything else is from scratch. I've still got little bits to do like that, and I'm going to get a file on these, you know, them half moon files. I'm going to get one of them on the inside of there. So ignore that, they're just full of big blobs at the moment, like this one as well, look. But I've sort of like put a bit of a bracing bar thing on there, you know, plate, so I can drill an hole in there and fasten stuff to that. Same on the other side. Again, my welding's not brilliant, but it's, well, there's a bit there look to do as well, but it's looking not too bad, is it? So I've obviously welded all around there, and I've put blobs under there and stuff. It's still, obviously it's still a little bit out. I don't know if you can just see at this end it's just down a little bit, which is a shame, but it doesn't matter, does it? Because this is going to be a Hooligan. Oops. So I think what I might do, because like I say, right, let me just, like, where the fuck's it gone now? Where them bloody bits gone? I'm going to patch it. Oh yeah. How many times do I have to fucking just put a blob of weld on there and grind it down and put a blob of weld on? I can't be arsed anymore, so it's proper strong is this. I'm pretty well happy, to be honest with you. In fact, look, so this is the very end of it. Let's just see if we can. I know the frame weighs naff all, but do you know what I mean? I'm well happy with it. So, oh, well, saying that, that's a bit of a mess there, isn't it? Look at the state of that. But never mind. And then underneath, yeah, okay, that's a bit shit as well. But I might just leave it like that, lads. And I can start putting it back together then, can't I? So, yeah, I might do that. Leave it as is and put it back together. So this is only a quick update, just to let you know that I am still on with it. And I would say the subframe is, I'm going to say it's done. I've done it. I've completed it. Because I can always come back to it, can't I, and do more if I need to do. But anyway, right, that's it, guys. Bit of an update. Quicker and out. No, hang on. We'll do it from here. Jason out.